The Miracle of 7 Days. How to dramatically improve your leg health with oil in just 1 week. Have you ever sat down after a long day and noticed your legs were aching, swollen, or just plain heavy? It can feel downright exhausting. And if this sounds familiar, I've got some fantastic news for you. You can turn this around in just 7 days with a simple trick. In this video, I'm going to share a secret with you, a tiny change that makes a big difference, applying oil to your legs. But before we dive into the details, let me ask you a question. Are you ready to transform your leg health forever? Are you ready to say goodbye to heavy, aching legs and hello to lightness, energy, and vitality? Well, if you're ready to take action and start feeling amazing, don't forget to hit the like button below. Let's get started. As we age, our bodies go through some changes that can affect our leg health, like slower circulation, inflammation, and weaker tissues. But did you know that in just 7 days, you can make a world of difference? Yes, just 7 days. And guess what? It doesn't involve pills, expensive treatments, or crazy diets. You don't even need fancy equipment. All you need is a bottle of oil. But hold on a second. You might be thinking to yourself, what's so special about oil? I mean, there are so many different kinds, and how am I supposed to know which one to use? Well, I'm here to tell you that all natural oils are truly amazing. And the best part is that you probably already have one of them in your kitchen right now. Olive oil is my top recommendation because it's packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins that can work wonders for your legs. Plus, it's super versatile. You can use it for cooking and baking, but it's also great for skincare. So not only will you be nourishing your legs, but you'll also be supporting your overall health. Now let's talk about how to use this liquid gold on your legs. First things first, make sure your legs are clean and dry. Then take a few drops of olive oil and gently massage it into your skin. Pay attention to any rough or dry areas and take your time to really work the oil in. This massage technique will help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and keep your skin hydrated. It's important to choose the right time to do this. So pick a moment when you can relax and unwind. Try doing it before bed so you can drift off to sleep with happy, relaxed legs. You might be wondering how often I should do this to see results. Well, consistency is key. Aim to massage oil into your legs every day for the next 7 days and pay close attention to how you feel. You may be surprised by just how much of a difference it can make in such a short amount of time. By the way, if you're getting value from this video so far, please do me a favor and hit that like button. It will help more people find this video and hopefully transform their health as well. Thanks for being here. Now let's get back to the topic at hand. You might be wondering, why should I listen to you? Who are you to give me advice on leg health? Well, I understand your skepticism, but let me tell you, I've spent countless hours researching and studying natural healing methods. I've worked with hundreds of clients to help them improve their health and overcome their challenges. And let me tell you, the results have been nothing short of amazing. People just like you have transformed their health and well-being with simple techniques, and I want you to be next. When you apply oil to your legs, your skin absorbs it, providing hydration, elasticity, and repair. The oil penetrates deeper, reaching the muscles. Calf muscles, often called the second heart, pump blood back to the upper body. Massaging oil into your legs helps these muscles relax and work more efficiently, stimulating blood flow and delivering more oxygen and nutrients to tissues. This leads to faster healing, less pain, and better function. Many natural oils are powerful anti-inflammatories. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, olive oil has polyphenols, and coconut oil has medium-chain fatty acids, all combating inflammation. Essential oils like peppermint, lavender, and rosemary can instantly soothe and relax muscles and nerves. Imagine easing tired, heavy legs after a long day with a gentle oil massage. Within minutes, heaviness and stiffness fade. leaving your legs feeling lighter and fresher. That's the power of natural oils. For varicose or spider veins, massaging oil helps support veins by improving blood flow and reducing stagnation. Essential oils like cypress or frankincense are known to strengthen vein walls. This simple practice can significantly improve the appearance and comfort of your legs. Applying oil is also an act of self-care, signaling to your brain that you are healing and worthy of feeling better. This calms your nervous system, reduces stress, and promotes deeper rest, which is why many report better sleep after an evening leg massage. You don't have to deal with heavy, achy legs anymore. Natural oils are your secret weapon. They work wonders on your skin and muscles, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Plus, they're incredibly easy to use. Just a few drops, a gentle massage, and voila, instant relief. Now you can say goodbye to discomfort and hello to happier, healthier legs. Just think about how much better your life could be with lighter, stronger legs. You'd be able to walk further, climb those stairs with ease, and dance the night away without breaking a sweat. Plus, healthy legs mean healthy veins, reducing the risk of conditions like varicose veins. And let's not forget about the mental health benefits. When your legs feel good, your mood lifts, your confidence soars, and you face the world with a brighter smile. So, why wait another day to start experiencing these amazing benefits? It's time to take action. You're not alone on this journey. Thousands have already discovered the transformative power of oil for their legs and are enjoying happier, healthier lives as a result. And I want you to be next. It's time to put your best foot forward and embrace a future filled with energy, vitality, and endless possibilities. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, you have the power to transform your health and well-being. Stay healthy and keep shining bright.